What if I told you there are legitimate websites where people are willing to pay for online conversations? Sounds surprising, right? Well, it's true, but there's something important you need to know. The internet is filled with articles claiming there are dozens of websites that pay to chat with people. Unfortunately, many of those websites are outdated, unavailable, or simply don't have a strong reputation. That's why I spent time narrowing this list into 3 platforms that have real business models and are known for connecting people who want paid conversations with those who are willing to offer them. These aren't get-rich-quick websites, and they don't guarantee income. Like any freelance opportunities, your earnings depend on factors such as communication skills, profile quality, availability, pricing, clients' demand, and whether you meet the platform's requirements. If you enjoy talking to people, helping others, or simply want to explore another flexible way to earn online, then this video is for you. So yeah, let's dive into the first website. The first website in today's list is Premium.Chat. Premium.Chat, in my own opinion, is one of the strongest options of this list. Unlike ordinary messaging apps, Premium.Chat allows professionals and knowledgeable individuals to chat people for private conversations. Instead of searching for clients one by one, you create a profile explaining who you are, what you offer, and how people can benefit from speaking with you. You can communicate through live chats, voice calls, or video calls, depending on the services you choose to provide. This platform is especially useful if you have knowledge or experience in areas such as business, career coaching, digital marketing, personal finance, fitness, relationships, technology, personal development. One of the biggest advantages of Premium.Chat is that you have control over your own pricing. You decide how much to charge for conversations, and clients can choose whether they would like to book time with you. Now, here's another important tip. Don't rush through creating your profile. Take time to upload a professional photo, write a clear description of your skills, explain exactly how you can help potential clients. Very crucial to let them understand what you can provide for them, that is, the value you can render to them. People are much more likely to book of conversations when your profile looks trustworthy and clearly communicates the value you provide. Also remember that having an audience on social media or another platform can make it easier to attract clients, since you can share your Premium.Chat profile with people who already know and trust your work. Now, moving to website 2 in today's list is Talkroom. Talkroom is designed to connect people who are looking for meaningful online conversations. After creating an account, you build your profile that tells people about your interest, communication style, and the type of conversations you're available for. Depending on the platform's current features and eligibility, conversations may take place through text messaging, voice calls, or video communication. One thing you need to understand is that clients choose who they want to speak with. That means your profile matters. A well-written introduction, a friendly attitude, and clear communication can help you stand out among others. Just as important, always follow the platform's community guidelines. Keep conversations respectful and professional, and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. Remember that opportunities may vary depending on your location, demand, and the platform's policies, so it's a good idea to review the official requirements before signing up. If you enjoy meeting new people and having thoughtful conversations, then Talkroom may be worth exploring. And now moving to the final in today's list, which is basically the third website, is the popular RentACyberFriend. This platform focuses on visual friendship. People sign up for different reasons anyways. Some want to talk with someone after a long day, others enjoy learning about different cultures, some are just looking for language practice, while others simply appreciate friendly conversations. As a cyber friend, you create a profile introducing yourself, your hobbies, your interests, and availability. Potential clients can browse profiles and choose who they would like to chat with. One feature many users appreciate is flexibility. You can decide when you're available and manage your schedule according to the platform's options. To improve your chances of attracting clients, make sure your profile is complete, friendly, and honest. A genuine introduction often creates a better first impression than trying to sound overly promotional. Most importantly, always follow the platform's rules and community standards. If someone behaves inappropriately or asks you to do something that violates the platform policies, end the conversations immediately and report the issue through the proper channels. Maintaining professionalism helps create a positive experience for both you and your client. Now, the important things you need to understand is that before signing up on any of these websites, there are very few things you need to take notice of. First, Always use the platform's official website when creating your account. Be cautious of anyone claiming they can guarantee approval or asking you to pay money to join. Second, read each platform's terms of service carefully. Some platforms have age requirements, country restrictions, or identity verification processes. Third, protect your privacy. This is very important, especially for these means of making money online. Avoid sharing personal or financial information with your client and use the platform's communication tools whenever possible. Finally, remember that there is no guaranteed income. Your success depends on many factors, including your communication skills, availability, pricing, profile quality, and client demand. Think of these websites as platforms that connect people with opportunities, not as promises of instant earnings. And that's it, 3 websites that allow people to earn by offering online conversations. If you're interested, take some time to research each platform, read its policies, and choose the one that best matches your skills and interests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more videos about legitimate online income opportunities. I would also love to hear from you guys. Which of these 3 websites would you be most interested in? Leave your answers in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.